Hey everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation, and I wanted to share with you a brand new goodie that I just got from Jennifer at One Stop Apothecary Shop. This is so cool. This is a 3D printed ATG gun holder. OMG, you guys, this is beautiful. So she knows that I like the black color for my desk because that's my kind of aesthetic. So I've already received a tape holder right here. Love it. Use it all the time. I have a glue bottle holder. I also have, which is off camera, a beautiful holder for your 6x6 pads. I've done a video on all of these products, but this is the latest one and I just love it. So if you guys are an ATG gun user like I am, and you have she has single ones, but she also has a double one. So check this out. This will hold not only rolls of tape for storage, but you can put your ATG guns in it while you're using it. It'll be an amazing holder for them. Keep your desk more organized, and then I can put it off to the side. You saw the picture at the beginning of the video where I have it on my desk. It is awesome. I just absolutely love this. And look, you've got space to hold more tapes. I mean, this is amazing. I just love it. I think it's really, really cool. Go check this out in the store. I will have that linked down below so you can go check it out. But look, this is just gorgeous. It looks great in my craft room, and it's going to keep my tape guns just perfectly placed for when I'm using them. I just love it. So thank you so much for watching. Go check out the ATG holders in the One Stop Apothecary store. I have the link down below. You're going to love it. They come in all the different colors. There's pink, there's teal, there's lavender, and of course my favorite is the black. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you so much for watching. Please go see her store. She has a lot of amazing products in her store, so go check it out. You are going to find some treasures. I do every time I go. So thanks for watching. Take care. Stay crafty. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.